Good morning, student. As we are going to discuss topics through this video nowadays, so today I am going to discuss about organizing a data in a data handling chapter. As yesterday in last videos, I told you that what are bar graphs. Today I am going to discuss about organizing a data. What is organizing data? Organizing data is the way how we organize data in our data handling topic. First, what are data? Data are of two types. Either they are in group format or they are in ungrouped format. In ungrouped format, suppose we collect some numbers. For example, these are the 1, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 9, 9. All these are the ungrouped data. In this number 1, there are two. If you terminate them, then we are having numbers and their frequency. Frequency means how many times they appear on the data. In this case, number 1 appear 2 times, number 2 appear 1 time, number 3, see this one, appear 1 time, then after 7, we don't have 4, 5, 6, again after 7 we are having 8, again 8 is your 1 time, and similarly 9 is your 3 times. If we organize this raw data in this type of format, then we can say that this is your frequency distribution table. This is your frequency distribution table. 9, 3 times 8, 1 time, 7, 1 time, 3, 1 time, likewise. So, in this way, if you organize this one, so these data are known as your ungrouped data. And we use their frequency by using tally marks. I think all of you already aware about tally marks. Once again I am telling you, tally marks are the simple horizontal lines we use while counting the number before the frequency. So in case of tally marks, if I am writing tally marks, so number 1 iterate 2 times, so we use 1, 2. These are not 2, these are 1 and 1. Bar, these are bar, not the number 1. These are bar. 1 and 1. Again number 2. Number 2, 1 time, number 3, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1, and number 9 is 3 times. These are the tally marks that you already learned in class 7. So this frequency distribution table is for ungrouped data. Now next one is about group data. What is that one? So in case of group data, we need some groups. Yesterday I told you that it is a range starting from 0 to 10, then 10 to 20 likewise. So let's see the frequency distribution table for your group data. As you are observing that above some numbers are written, these are the marks obtained by some students in a particular class test. So if we try to arrange all these data in group wise, means there are some groups. In data handling chapter, these groups are known as a class. So 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, then 30 to 40, and 40 to 50. There are 5 groups, and then we have to draw the tally mark, and then we find out the frequency. In a frequency distribution table, these 3 columns are most important. Always you have to mention these 3 columns, whether it's a group or ungrouped data. In this case 0 to 10. How many numbers are 0 to 10 and how many numbers are 10 to 20? We have to find out. So starting from how we find out? Starting from the first number from the left hand side. Place the finger and try to mark down. First is the 49. 49 always lies between these two. Tally mark is arm. Then 35 here. Then 22 it's here. 27 again it's here. Then 30 again. This is the very critical condition that where 30 are present in both the part. So where we have to find out that where we place the number 30. So theory says about 30 that 30 must be placed in a group where 30 has a lower value. Means first I am telling you that 30 we must place in this one, not in this one. So this is your 30. Then after 30 we are having 27. Again we are having 25. Again we are having 27. After 4 we cross the tally mark. This is your 5. Then after we are having 13 and then we are having 36. So see, there is no number, no marks in between 0 to 10. 10 to 20 we are having 1 mark, so we can write down here is 0. It is your 1, it is your 5, it is your 3, this one is your 1. Whenever you add, you get the 10 and this 10 must be same as this number of counting. This is your frequency distribution table. Now in this table, this is a group frequency distribution table. So these are known as your classes 0, 10, 10, 20. All these are 5 are the classes. Number 1. Number 2, in a particular class, this is the lower limit. Whatever it is on the left hand side of the class is the lower limit on the particular class and this is the upper limit. And after this, we are having some numbers. So these are the frequencies for the particular class group. After this, we are having class interval or class size. Class interval, I discussed with you class, then I discussed the limits that is going to come under the limiting range. Then next one is your class interval or class size or class weight. All these three are equal. Class interval, class weight or class size, all these three are same. These are the difference between upper limit minus lower limit for a particular class. Upper limit minus lower limit. So in this case it's a 10, again 10, again 10, again 10. So class interval must be the difference of upper limit and lower limit. Next one is your class mark. The most important thing is your class mark. We use all these criteria in class 9 and 10 also. That class mark is nothing but the mean of upper limit and lower limit. So for class mark, we can write down the formula. It's a upper limit plus lower limit. Okay, code is not covered here. So class mark must be equal to, it's a upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. UL for upper limit, LL for lower limit. So hope you are able to understand all the terms of this group frequency table. So we move to the next one. About 30. Be careful if a number is present in two different classes. For example, 30 is present here in 2030 also and 30 to 40 also. Then we must place this 30 where the value is lower one, not the upper one. That's why I place 30 over here, not over here. Be careful if a number is present in two different groups or class, then we place that number where the value or where the You be much careful about this one, otherwise you will do spoil a whole the calculation, whole the table. To avoid that, be careful about this thing.